amigos, it's your favorite Mina. She's back, booked and busy and better than ever, baby. And today, I have risen from the dead because we are gonna do something we have never done on this channel before, and I'm actually really excited. We are doing our first unboxing and makeup review. I know. I've been waiting for this too. I know, I'm excited. No, I know you're excited. I know, so am I. So that's what we're gonna do today. And what better way to kick off our first makeup review and unboxing video with none other than the Malibu Barbie ColourPop collection. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. I actually used to love that song. That used to be my jam. I love it. If you know me, you know that I love the Barbie movies. I love everything related to Barbie. The colors, I love Barbie herself, her confidence, to her style, like just everything about her. I just love it. Me and my sister love it. And I just love the dolls too. I know I'm like 14, but like, anyways, yeah. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. First, we have none other than the Malibu Barbie Crest powder palette. The packaging is super cute. I really love it. And like, even the back too, like, I really love the packaging. It's super nice. Eye-catching, if I do say so myself. Now we have the Barbie X ColourPop Beach Party Super Shock Highlighter. I'm excited for this because I've actually been looking for a new highlighter. Because I think I have like 5 highlighters, but I haven't found the one, you know? Because once I find a good highlighter, I'm gonna stick to it. So I'm excited to try this. I'm excited. Next, we have the Malibu Sunset Lip Duo. I think this comes with a lip liner and a lipstick. I'm really into lip liner lately, so I'm excited to open this. Then we have another lip duo, and it's Golden Beach. And then a third one, and it's the Dream House Lip Duo. Then we have the Barbie doll lashes. I haven't really been wearing fake lashes lately like I used to because I just get my extensions done. But I recently had a bad reaction to them, so it's time to go back to some fake lashes for a bit. And finally, drum roll please, we have the product I am most excited for, the Barbie hand mirror. I'm so excited. I don't own a hand mirror, and I saw this on the Instagram page and I was like, come through ColourPop, and I really wanted it. And so grateful that I got this because I'm super excited. Also, I apologize for how shiny I look. Actually, no. I did a vigorous skincare routine and I'm not wearing any makeup yet because I will be later. So without further ado, let's get into opening the products. So first we have the hand mirror. I'm actually really excited for this because like I said, hand mirror, Barbie. Oh my God, the packaging inside is so cute too. Let me show you guys. Oh my God. Okay. I see you, ColourPop. Also, I don't know if you can see the inside, but it's a bunch of Barbie. They paid so much attention to every little detail. I applaud you, ColourPop, as you should. So here we have the hand mirror. As you can see, like the foam is like pink and stuff like that. That's really cute. I'm coming up. Oh my God, look at that. This is really cute. It's a really nice shade of pink. It says Barbie X ColourPop on it. I'm just gonna take this off. The protective sealant. Say hi to yourself, guys. Right. Hey! I feel like this is a long-lasting mirror. This is really cute. Okay, I'm happy with that. Next, I wanted to go into the doll lashes. See, when I wear fake lashes, I really like the big voluminous ones, like not super huge, but I like to make my eyes like bigger. And these ones look a bit more on the natural side, which is okay because I do like both types of lash. So that's what they look like. I did look on their page and it looked more like a natural eyelash, but then again, you can always curl them and make them look like eyelash extensions. Next, okay, I'm excited. We're gonna open the lip duos first because I know what you guys wanna see is the palette and the highlighter, but we're gonna do that last. Actually, no. What I wanna see is the highlighter. No. I will resist temptation and do that last. We're gonna do the lip duos first. So this is the Dream House one. We're doing this one first. Oh, the packaging inside is so cute. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, look at that packaging inside. Like they pay so much attention to rainbows. Pride Month. Look at that. Look at the detail. Like it's like see-through, which I really kind of like, and it's like pink, and it says ColourPop and the Barbie logo. Oh my God, it's so cute. I love it. Oh my God. I really love this. I love the pink. I think it's so cute. Do you guys see where it says Barbie? Like, what? We're gonna swatch this. So I'm gonna do this in this mirror, actually. So a lot of pigment from the first swatch. I really like that. It's a really nice color. If you look at it in this lighting, it's like a really nice pinky shade. It's a really nice shade of pink, which I really like. And of course the lip liner. This is really nice too. It's more of a tone down of that pink shade, which is kind of nice. It looks a bit more on the purple side, We're gonna swatch that quickly. Yeah, like I said, it's more of a nude. Yeah. So, I really like how they pay attention to little detailing with this collab. It's really nice. I'm a fan. Next, we have the Malibu Sunset Lip Duo. So let's go ahead and open that. Here we have sunsets inside. I'm sorry, I just love looking inside because it's so nice. I love it. Okay, once again, we have this super cute packaging. Ooh, okay. So this one is definitely more of like on the magenta, like dark pink side. Like darker than a hot pink, but lighter than a magenta. It looks a lot like a hot pink in the lighting over here. So let's swatch it and see what it's like. Okay, yeah. It is definitely a darker pink. Definitely like a fuchsia. I prefer the first one, like a natural pink. I don't really like when it's like super dark pinks and fuchsias, but everyone has different preferences and it's still a really nice shade. And the lip liner is the same. Yeah, the lip liner is the same. So that was Malibu Sunset. Now we have, the last lip duo we have is Golden Beach. Hey, I'm literally singing 24/7. Anyways, it's a beach ball. Let us open this lipstick and see what shade this is. Okay. Okay, this is more of a nude pink, if you can see. As you can see. Golden Beach, and let's watch it. Ooh, that one went on really nicely. Look at that. That's actually a really nice pink. It's kind of like, it's like a peachy pink. My favorite one is definitely Dream House. That is definitely my favorite shade. Like I said, I like the more toned down. Yeah, more toned down like pinks and light pinks. But if you're someone who really likes a really pink fuchsia pigmentation, then Malibu Sunset is for you. Okay, y'all. Now we've moved on to the lip duos. We are going into the beach party super shock highlighter. This is what I'm most excited for, as you know. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Okay, palm trees come through. Oh, the packaging for this is so cute. It feels like play Barbie makeup, and it feels so nostalgic and stuff. Like, it's so cute. I really like it. I already think I'm opening it the wrong way. Guys. Look at that. And there's a mirror up here too, but you have to take off the thing to do it. But I'm not gonna take it off. I'm not gonna take it off just yet. Whoa, that is a nice highlighter. The packaging is so cute too. I'll show you in this mirror. You can see it shimmer a bit better. Now that is a damn good highlighter. But we're gonna use a Q-tip and we're going to, okay, look at that. Look at that shimmer right there. It's a really nice shimmer. But it's a really nice gold. It's really nice like gold, but like not too gold. Now, the one you've all been waiting for. Drum roll! The Malibu Barbie Pressed Powder Palette. It is, oh my god, I absolutely love the packaging. Oh my god, you guys. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna show you in the other mirror so you can get a better look. But oh my god. You guys, look at this. Y'all, look at this thing. Look at that pigmentation. Look at those colors. You cannot tell me that those colors ain't vibrant. Like, I'm shocked. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. So we're gonna go in and swatch. So the first one we're gonna swatch is Cali Girl. That is this one over here. Ooh, let's go in with our finger. Let's swatch her. As you can see, she's a shimmery one. So let's go in. Ooh, that is some nice pigmentation. That goes on really nicely. The makeup feels really nice. It's really lightweight. Because I don't know, some eyeshadows to me, like when you put them on, they just feel like so like, they just feel gross. But these ones, like, look at that. Like, what? I'm trying to get a better angle. But like, look at her. Look at her. She's shimmering. She's giving Night at the Disco. Next, we are doing Vintage Doll. This is a pink shade. There we go. There we go. She is giving Dream House reality. It's definitely not super pigmented as Cali Girl, but it is still a really nice shade and I really like that. Next, we're gonna go in with Come On. Ooh, look at that. You can, or look at that. This is Come On. Pigmented as fuck. Ooh, she's a bronze one. She's giving bronze goddess. Okay, I kind of like that one. It's nice for a really like gold smoky eye, if you know what I mean? And look at her on my finger. So next we have Follow the Sun. This is a really fun pink shade. Ooh, you can already see this one's gonna look at that, she's pigmented! I love this palette because all of the shades are so pigmented. What? Anyways, let's go in with her. Ooh, oh, she's pretty. She is giving expensive. Breakfast at Tiffany's, look at that one. That one's a really pretty shade. I really like that one. That one is nice. The final glitter shade we have to swatch is Surf's Up. This one's a really pigmented blue one. Oh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Let's watch her. Oh, she is giving Outer Banks water realness. She is giving Kim Kardashian's Vacation to Turks and Caicos. She is giving where Kim Kardashian lost her like earring that was worth like $100 million. You know? Look, she is nice. That is one of my favorite ones. And look how pigmented. Look. Oh, absolutely in love with all of these. These are crazy. Okay, we're gonna pause this because I'm gonna wash my hands.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back. What I've gotten from this palette so far is that this is a really, really good palette, all of it. So this palette is a hit. This is a hit, it's hitting and it's hitting hard. We're gonna move on, where I'm gonna show you a basic look that I would do with this makeup. It's different from a basic makeup look that you can do, but this is what I would do. Because we are one and one is one. Because I want to be real with you guys, and I wouldn't wear all these pigmented shades every day, and I would not wear every shade in this palette. I usually stay away from golds and go with more like colors, because that's my thing. So I have no makeup on currently. We'll do like a fast forward, and I'll show you what it looks like with all my makeup on. So our hair's tied up, and let's get going. There we go. So we're getting our base on, getting it on. Slowly but surely, we're gonna go in and do some brows, cause like I need my brows. Everyone knows that if your brows don't look good, then the rest of your makeup won't look good. So I'm looking a bit better because I have makeup on now. So we did an inner quarter pink today. Ooh, okay, super pigmented. I'm just tapping it slowly right now. Yay! Okay, so now we're gonna go and try the highlighter. We're gonna go with the Q-tip because I love Q-tips. Okay, the highlighter is actually pretty good. It looks really cute. It makes my nose look like a little button nose. That's actually really cute. It actually looks kind of nice. I actually kind of dig it. I am kind of vibing with the highlighter. We're gonna go a bit under my eyebrows. The brows. It's looking nice. I'm living for this. I like this. Hey. I'm liking this. Oh right, lips. How could I forget? We're gonna moisturize our lips first, cause like, we're gonna go in with my favorite one, which, like I said, was the Dream House. So what I do is when I do my lips, I overline the bottom lip because I have no idea how to do the top lip. So overline the bottom. I'm gonna go in with a lipstick. Ooh, I'm excited for this. It is very, very pink. We're gonna tone it down. And there we go. That is a lip liner. I actually, before we end this, I want to try going with the darker ones. There you have it. That is our Barbie makeup look. I unfortunately do not have eyelash glue to put on the eyelashes. They're pretty straightforward. You can tell that they're really natural and light. I'm just gonna wash my hands and I'll be back. There we have it. We have our Malibu Barbie ColourPop collection makeup look. We did a little bit of inner corner highlight, pink and highlight. Ah, it looks so bad. I'm closing. That is what it is. Hi, I'm Jeffree Star. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? I've always wanted to do that. Ah, I love this hand mirror. Anyways, that concludes our little makeup adventure. It was a roller coaster for sure, definitely. insane, but it was fun. I had so much fun filming this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I definitely suggest you go buy the Barbie ColourPop collection. It is very nice. It's very nice. And see you guys later.